One of the key benefits of implementing an automated CI/CD process is not just the ability to build and deploy, but the automation that you can achieve to the ability to track the changes being done at the repository level, identifying the work items linked to a build or a deployment, allowing a deployment to various cloud environments using the pipelines. In order to achieve some of these automations, we will need to connect to external applications such as Jira, Jenkins, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, Sonar, or any other third-party APIs or applications. In Azure DevOps, service connections allow us to achieve this integration easily. Service connections can be created at the project level and access can be controlled for each pipeline. For example, when you create a service connection to your Azure portal for, let's say, production and dev environments, you do not want the access to a production service connection to be available to a dev pipeline. So that can be controlled at the pipeline level. So let's see, in order to basically to create a service connection, you will need the API or the URL of the application and the required authentication details to authorize the integration with the application. So in order to create a new service connection, we have to go into the project and project settings and go into service connections under projects. Now, when I say create service connection, you notice a list of uh, service connections available for the commonly used tools in the DevOps world. It could be your Azure Resource Manager, it could be Jenkins, Jira, NuGet Package Server, Visual Studio App Center, which is used for mobile CI/CD. So you have the standard service connections available. Now let's go ahead and create a service connection which connects to a particular resource group in the Azure cloud. So what I have here is I have a resource group defined in my subscription. So once I say resource group and next, it asks me to what is the authentication method that you want to use. Do you want to use the automated service principal? Is it a manual account that is created in your Azure AD? So in this case, I'm using service principal. Next, and then it is now trying to identify and pick the subscriptions linked to my account, and then it will ask me to basically to log in here and log in, sign in. So once signed in, yeah, now you will see the subscription which was selected. Again, I'm just changing my subscription. Next. So now I have the option to select the resource group. I'll say story point service connection, and then say I'm here, I'm granting permission to all the pipelines. If I uncheck, no pipelines will be able to access it until I explicitly give the permissions. So let me give grant and save. So that's how you go ahead and create a service connection in Azure Pipeline.